Welcome back, Kevin's Mobile Repair. We're doing some quick struts on 2015 Chevrolet Tahoe. These are the old ones. 3 bolts up at the top. This one has the electrical sensing connector, so that sensor will have to be disconnected. 2 10mm down at the bottom. See, this thing is making some noise. You see all that nasty coming apart right there. So anytime it hits a bump, it goes clunk, 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 clunk. So we've got, I believe there are 17s, 3 of them over here. This side's harder to see. I'll show you on the driver's side, much more simply. All those right there, electrical connector right there, those come down. And then 2 15s down at the bottom, hold it onto the bottom of the control arm. Jack the vehicle up high enough so that you can get the tire off, and then after that you will want to, once the 17s are taken out and the electrical connector is disconnected, you're going to have to pry down a little bit on that lower control arm in order to get the strut assembly out far enough in order to bypass it. Same way going back in. Pry bar, push down on it, it will then slide up in, put your bolts on, do a little wiggle action, get the bottom mounting bolts and stuff like that to line up. But other than that, not a really big issue with that. Both sides took me about 45 minutes to do both of them. Any questions or comments, please feel free to let me know.